The Malabon City local government has partnered with the Development Bank of the Philippines, or DBP, for the implementation of Ascenso Financing Program. Denise Osorio has the full details.
The Development Bank of the Philippines, or DBP, and the Malabon City local government on Tuesday, May 21, inked a memorandum of agreement to aid the implementation of accelerating sustainable economic and social empowerment through national and local initiatives to overcome challenges, or Ascenso Financing Program.
Ang pondong ito ay gagamitin natin para sa mga proyektong pang-infrastruktura na tutugon sa iba't ibang isyu ng ating lungsod. Kasama na dito ang paglutas sa problema ng informal settlements, illegal parking ng mga sasakyan at kakulangan ng pasilidad sa mga ospital. Ang ating layunin ay mabawasan ang bilang ng mga informal settlers at families sa pamamagitan ng pagtatayo ng mga housing projects. Kasama na ng mid-rise housing projects, 88 housing units sa Isisa Extension at 220 housing units. Ito ay isang patunay na tayo hindi titigil sa paghahanap ng mga solusyon para mapabuti ang buhay ng bawat Malabueno. Sa tulong ng DBP, malaki ang ating magagawa upang masiguro na bawat isa ay magkakaroon ng maayos na tirahan.
The DBP emphasized the funding will sustain the acceleration of Malabon's infrastructure and socio-economic projects consistent with the goals of the Philippine Development Plan. The DBP added its Ascenso Financing Program will bankroll the construction of critical infrastructure projects aimed to facilitate trade and transportation to strengthen the city's local economy, and housing projects aimed to improve quality of life.
For their visionary approach and steadfast commitment to the development of Malabon City. Your proactive efforts and strategic planning have set a clear path for the city's future, and we are honored to be your partner in this journey.
Meanwhile, Malabon City, in collaboration with Philippine Postal Corporation, or PhilPost, unveiled the city's commemorative stamp and official first day cover in commemoration of Malabon City's 425th Foundation Day, featuring the 409-year-old San Bartolome Church, the Pansit Malabon, the La Princesa Tabacalera, and the Tambobong Festival. Denise Osorio from the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.